Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is my coffee bar fall makeover. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I thank you and I welcome you to Freddie King's home decor team. On my channel, I talk and teach what's called the color palette series. The color palette series or process teaches you how to mix and match your colors so that you can create a unique design, ceiling to floor and floor to ceiling. What I'm showing you right now is a portion of my kitchen. This is my coffee bar station. It used to be a pantry that I had the pantry torn down, and I had this coffee bar station remodeled in order to provide more space and more functionality. I'm just showing you a real quick video of how I designed it or did a home decor refresh in order to add some fall decor. Please continue watching. Thank you again to my subscribers, and if you are not one of my subscribers, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click your notification bell, and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. I'm continuing to roll out my fall decor and designs, but shortly here I'll be showing you Christmas home decor. Yes, I'll be doing Christmas in the month of October. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I will see you in the next one.